Appreciate that. We need three of these, 6 of those sharks. Come on, bonus. Thanks, Tanya. Hey, thank you, Marie. Juggalette, how are you? Ah. Well. Thanks, Todd. Like hollow, like it sounds like I'm yelling in a Tupperware. What do you mean? Oh, in a tunnel. Come on, bonus. Crikey. How can you like hear the music in the background the same? Hey, Sylvia. Damn, screwed there. Okay, so you can hear everything. Louder. Okay, I'm going to take it off and see what it's like. Hold on. $4.40. Big winners here. I need to find a new machine. Come on, we need a good hit here. God, that was disgusting. Bo Nanny with the $9.99 super chat. Good. Hold on, where'd it go? Good luck tonight. Thank you, Annie Bo Nanny. We need that luck. Finally, a line hit. Finally, a line hit. 10 doll hairs. Teasing. Well, thanks for checking in, Todd. What up, LMS? Come on, baby. Karen Silk with the $9.99 super chat received. It doesn't say. Karen, it doesn't say what you said. It says super chat received. But thank you for that, Karen. What do I play next, guys? I haven't tried 1 cent. But shit. The dollars, the Joey. There's the one I needed. We'll just Joey it out the rest of the way. Maybe a Buffalo if it's open. Buffalo, Dragon Cash. Or Toro. It's alright, Karen. Thank you. You can type what you wanted to say in here. Alright, that's it. Let's get out of here. Lightning Link's been rough.